Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to do the handcuff knot. It can be used for restraining someone, or it can be used for carrying your prey, hanging it to skin it, or to just carry it around. Now I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to go like this. So this is on the top. We can't go like this or else it just won't work. So like this. Then we're going to do that again, like that. Now we're going to cross it right here. Then this is going to go up and this is going to go down. And we're going to pull it to some extent like this. And then we can just... You can just tighten it right here, and you can just tighten it up like that, or like put it on animal's feet and carry it around. So when it's at the set length you want it, like around someone's hands, you tie it off with a figure-8 knot. So how you do that? You go like this, and then you spin it around a couple times. One time, and then you put both the strings through here, and then there you have it. So, like if there's giant feet, I would put it right there because it's so secure, so it can't go anymore. Stuck at that level. And thanks for watching.